What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. So today we're going to take a look at this LLANO dual camera battery fast charger right here. So this is specifically for the Sony NP-FZ100 battery, and it comes in this little case right here. Now the company did send this to me to actually check out and give my honest opinion on this right here. So this is just a battery charger. So if you want to charge your battery without have to charge it inside your camera, this is one of a great device that you can actually use. Now I'm going to open the box and let you guys see what's inside right here. So inside the package looks something like this, which comes right inside. We got some user manual that you guys can look at. So inside right here we have a neat little carrying case, looks something like this. Also got a little string right here as well, very neat. I'm loving this right here, and that's how it look. We have a USB to USB-C for charging right here, cable as you guys can see, which also comes inside the package. Now we're gonna move on now to what we're all here for, which is the battery charger itself. So looks something like this. So we have the branding right on here. You can display the battery percent of it right here. To the side right there we can see we have USB type C for charging as well. That's how it look from the inside right there. You can just put your two battery inside, so this can charge two battery simultaneously inside right here. It's just neat, something that really nice to carry around, especially if you want to charge your battery, and it's something that I'll use and recommend.